Presenting the latest Samsung Galaxy M32. Samsung Galaxy M32 is available in two colors, black and light blue. The phone is available in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB, 6GB RAM plus 128GB. Memory can be expanded up to 1TB. This is a dual SIM capable smartphone. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display. It has a Full HD resolution with 1080x2400 pixels, 212 ppi with 16 million colors. It has a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera f1.8, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera f2.2, 2 megapixel depth camera f2.4 and 2 megapixel macro camera f2.2. It has a 20 megapixel front camera. The phone is powered by Android V11.0 operating system with MediaTek MT6769V by CTZA octa-core processor, 2 GHz, 1.8 GHz. The phone is equipped with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Inside the box, you will find handset, adapter, SIM tray ejector, USB cable, user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.